Okay, so this is a regular staircase. It's got 13 steps. This is a scale model, so this is about 60 centimetres wide, this is 30 centimetres along here, and this up here is about 2 metres and 40 centimetres. And you walk up it like this. It's completely standard, very easy. The 60 centimetres here is way more than you need for your feet, which are quite narrow, but the actual width here, 60 centimetres, is only slightly larger than the widest of people's shoulders. So this is sort of a good width to contain the whole width of a person. So you walk down it like this. Okay. And one thing to notice is that this 30 centimetres here is just about long enough to accommodate the longest of people's feet, and you could, when you're walking down, if you put your heel here, your foot still fits on the rise. So in other words, this can accommodate your feet whether you're going upwards or downwards. And this is not true of a ladder, and that's why you have to walk down a ladder backwards. So this is completely standard, very normal, and the only thing about it is that it does take up quite a lot of space. Other than that, it's good design. Now this is a double riser staircase. This goes to the same height, but it's only half the length, and so the space that it takes up in a house is reduced, and yet, so this is how you walk up it. From a different angle. Now you have to pay some attention to where your feet go, but actually it's completely easy to learn that, and after once or twice it feels completely natural. You walk down it like this, Now, although this is only twice as short, it shares the advantage that when you put your foot here, your foot can be accommodated on this tread here. And although each of these steps is only 30 centimetres wide, it's still more than enough to accommodate your foot widthways. Okay, so this is a double riser staircase, and there it is in comparison to the normal single riser staircase. So this is my new idea. This is a quadruple riser staircase, and there it is in comparison. So it's rising to the same height, but it's half again the depth of a double riser staircase. This is how you walk up it. So now there are 4 sets of risers, and the tread now is 15 centimetres wide, which is just about wide enough for a foot, but the depth is still 30 centimetres, which is more than enough to accommodate a foot. So you walk up it like this. And you walk down it like this. And one of the features is that, with some attention to where you place your feet, you can still get your feet fully on here, and therefore you can walk down forwards instead of backwards as you would have to with a ladder. But actually the steepness is just about approaching that of a normal ladder.